SD-WAN is flexible software-based management and security over diverse network mediums.
SD-WAN also allows us to get much more bandwidth for a much lower cost, allowing us to use these new cloud apps, streaming services, video on demand, all that at a much lower price point than we could do with private circuits. So that's something we always have to talk about in an SD-WAN solution, is some form of link redundancy, multiple vendors, multiple technologies. The more technologies I fold underneath an SD-WAN solution, the more reliability and higher availability I'm going to get. Cellular circuits, local internet, business class internet, we can still use private links, we can still use MPLS, we can still use point-to-point connections. As soon as I fold multiple technologies together, I get the benefits of all of them with the abstraction that SD-WAN buys me. Major benefits for SD-WAN and a customer are CapEx flexibility and how we procure circuits and services. We get operational benefits with our centralized tooling and centralized management. We get better redundancy because I can leverage different technologies from different providers, and I get better flexibility and agility with deployments in the field. So probably the biggest use case for SD-WAN is MPLS replacement. So we've got a lot of legacy customers that have a large investment or a large contract with MPLS. SD-WAN allows us a much more flexible and cost-effective way to get that similar kind of connectivity. A very topical use case right now is integrating with the public cloud. Many of our customers are going to the public cloud, and traditional WAN technology doesn't integrate well with public cloud offerings. SD-WAN, in almost all cases, tends to have virtual termination points, which allows you to get WAN-like connectivity in and out of Amazon, Google, Azure, and so on and so forth.
There are definitely steps any organization can take today to start on a journey toward SD-WAN. Insight has boiled that down into a 4-phase methodology of review, plan, design, and implement. The review phase consists of identifying business and technical requirements, looking at ROI analysis, and also developing a high-level design and bill of materials. The plan phase covers 3 key milestones: a security review, operational enablement, and a phased implementation plan. The next phase consists of creating a detailed design, a test plan, and documented customer success criteria. The implementation phase involves executing the design and measuring success as the solution is rolled out at scale.
Yeah, there's no reason not to deploy an SD-WAN solution. If you're interested in SD-WAN, Insight has the architects, the proven methodology, and the track record of success to help tailor a solution to your needs.